Wildfire smoke affects us all, blanketing cities and countryside alike. As we face these smoky skies, how can we protect ourselves? Check air quality regularly. Stay informed. Use air purifiers at home. Monitor your air. Take timely actions. Wear 95 masks outdoors. PM2.5 particles penetrate deep. Reduce exposure, monitor AQI for pollution levels. Carbon dioxide high indoors. Ventilate often. Keep total volatile organic compounds low for health. Together we can create safe havens in our homes, shielding our loved ones from wildfire smoke.